Hi, I'm not Jess.
And I'm not Jason.
Welcome to DisasterMoon 2024.
Well, you can't tell the world about this. You can tell the nation about that. Tell them what the Master has done. Tell them what the gospel has come. Tell them that the victory's been won. He brought joy, 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 joy into my heart. Well, my Lord spoke so well. Yes, he did, yes, he did. Talk about the flames that burn in hell. Yes, he did, yes, he did. Now, my Lord spoke so well. Yes, he did, yes, he did. Talk about the children of Israel. Yes, he did, yes, he did. He brought joy, joy, joy into my heart. He brought joy, 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 joy into my heart.
All right, good morning. Today we are here at Cutler Coast. We are going to do what is about a 10-mile hike. This traverses some inland stretches, but mostly along the coast. Despite the fact that it's coastal, it's known to be a pretty difficult trail. So we're doing about 10 miles, so it's going to be quite a bit of work here. But this should be one of the highlights of our trip. I'm pretty excited to get this done. It is going to be cloudy all day. There are patches of dense fog, especially close to the coast, but it's been a little bit more clear than we've seen the last few days, and hopefully by mid-morning to noon the actual dense fog should at least be gone, and then it'll just be normally cloudy, which getting out of this fog will be I'll be very happy to be able to see more than 200 to 500 yards. So let's get started.
Today, you gotta be bad enough to beat the brave. So get on the hell skelter, born into the fray. You gotta be bad enough to beat the brave. You fading out. You fading out. Without a shine. Today is just a daydream. Tomorrow will be cast away. Coming in out of nowhere, singing Rhapsody. You gotta be bad enough to wanna be. Sit upside a high chair, the devil's refugee. It's gonna be blinded by the light.
All right, this is our first look here at the coast. So where I'm standing right here, you can see this is actually like the delta of a little creek, and it just bubbles up through the rocks here and emerges and flows right out to join the coast, join the Atlantic Ocean. So we are now starting the coastal trail. Somebody emerged out here as we were just coming out. They said this is the easy way. The other way is harder. And I'm like, that's the easy way? Let's take a look down at where we just came from. This isn't the path we took up. We took one further to the left. Wow. It's pretty cool. Another view out here. Stunning coastline. All right, so we've got 2 miles along the coastal trail here, and then we will double back to retrace our steps and then hit the other part of the coastal trail.
Coming in out of nowhere, singing Rhapsody. You gotta be bad enough to wanna be. Sitting upside a high chair, the devil's refugee. It's gonna be blinded by the light that follows me. She faded out. She faded out. Without a doubt, I don't see no shine today. It's just a daydream. Tomorrow she'll be cast away.
All right, so I think we've decided to make this our turnaround point. I don't think we made it to actual Ferry Head. It is so foggy out there that I don't feel like we're getting cheated out of not seeing something if we just keep going. So, all right, starting on the coastal trail back 2.8 miles back to the parking area. This will be new trail to us.
Special people change. How many lives are living strange? Where were you while we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova, a champagne supernova in the sky. Up the dawn and ask her why. A dream, she never dies. Wipe that tear away now from your eye. Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide. Champagne supernova in the sky.
we are on the home stretch here to finishing up this Cutler Coast hike. So it's a really interesting hike, but this is every bit the definition of a slog. Just mud and water, terrible footing most of the way. We are just soaked both with sweat and with mud and water. Exhausted. I'm so tired that I don't even know if I have the energy to be tired when I get to the car. Like, I'll have to take these bags and things off. And that just feels like it takes too much energy right now. But we will finish. We shall recover. It was an interesting hike. Well, that's it for this episode of Disaster Moon, but stay tuned. In the next episode, we're going to visit one of America's most unique state parks in Baxter State Park, and I'll confront pure and total exhaustion while tackling Double Top Mountain. You don't want to miss this.
He brought joy, 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 joy into my heart.